What's the meaning of circumflex accent? Circumflex accent. Circumflex accent.
Circumflex accent. Circumflex accent. The circumflex accent is a diacritical mark used in some languages, including French and Portuguese. It is placed above a vowel to indicate various phonetic features, such as lengthening or nasalization. In French, the circumflex accent often signifies a missing consonant, typically an S, that was once present in the word. The use of the circumflex accent can also change the meaning of a word, as in the case of do, some, versus do. Overall, the circumflex accent is an important tool for accurately representing pronunciation and distinguishing between similar words in certain languages.